G'day folks, it's Keith here again from Stile Edge. People often ask me how bullnosing is going to look on different types of tiles with regard to your different construction of tiles, being your fully vitrified right through to your glazed varieties. So today I've got a few samples here for you. Just like to show you how they come up with our Stile Edge bullnosing. Just using a half bullnose on this one, your fully vit tile. Full body porcelain, as you can see, the base material being the same colour as the top. When you bullnose it, it all looks very uniform and very similar. The next one I get asked about is the double charged porcelain, the one with the colour in the top part of the tile. So as you can see, once we bullnose it, we expose the base material where it blends into the top coloured portion of the tile, and you get that effect as you can see there. This one in particular, having the base material of a similar colour to the top, you've got a bit of variation but not a vast difference. We'll go on to the next one, which is also a double charged tile, but now this one's a bit different. We've done our laminated variety on this, but just to show you the effect, the type of tile is a black top, but it's got a very light coloured base material. So once you expose that base material, when we bullnose it, we find that you've got quite a difference in the look. Now that can be a nice effect if you want to have a contrasting edge to what you've got on the top colour. So you can see that you get that effect, and it can be a nice definition for the edging around your particular project that you're doing. The other one we move on to the glazed porcelain. Now this is a different story again. We bullnose a glazed porcelain and we expose the base material, and as you can see, this one has got base material very similar to the top colour. However, you get a nice effect by doing that, but if you were to use another one, perhaps with a different colour base material, you would see more of a definition on the edge. In fact, I've got one here for you. Now, this one's got a very reddy browny top, so of course you expose that base material when it's bullnosed, and you get that colour going along the edge in that bullnosed area. The rule, if you're not sure of how to think about how it will look, just have a look at the edge of the tile. So we turn it around here, we see the edge, we can see the base material colour, and when it's bullnosed, we know that the bullnose will be that colour, because all we're doing is cutting and polishing the edge of that tile. We're not adding anything to it, we're simply bringing it up and shaping it, and so you get that effect as I showed you. Another point to remember is that of course we can do ceramic tiles, which are a very similar construction. We've got the glazing on top, we've got the clay biscuit. Again, we expose that biscuit area and we end up with a very similar effect to what you see here. Just remembering that whatever your base material colour is, that's the colour you'll see on the bullnosing. Also applies to our step tread product. Haven't got one here at the moment, but of course you put your step tread grooves in the tile and you expose that base material, and that's the colour you end up with. So hopefully that's enlightened you onto how these various products will look once we've bullnosed them. And until next time, thanks very much.